Welcome to the video on My Digital Office dashboard. Of late, we have been creating a lot of Google Forms and Google Sheets to make the existing system into online system. That is, for complaint monitoring system, we had created online complaint monitoring system, and for water supply, that is water receipt and water storage, we had created online water supply monitoring system. For rest house management, we had created online rest house monitoring system, and we have been creating the 9 registers which we are going to use for the special registers into online system using Google Forms and Sheets. So for each system, we have at least minimum 2 Google Forms and 1 Google spreadsheet. So for one item, we have 3 links. So obviously for complaints 3, for water supply 3, rest houses obviously 3 into 3 9, so almost 12 links. As of now we have 12 links, and apart from this we will have contract works. For each contract work we will have one form and a Google sheet, so it will keep on multiplying. So we have to be ready to handle all these links. We might miss out the links. So how we are going to create a dashboard of these links? This is what we are going to see in this video. Let's get into the video. Multiple digital applications and multiple data makes the handling of digital data more cumbersome. It's true. Presently we are working on WhatsApp, we are working on Telegram, and now we are suggesting to go for Google Forms, Google Sheets, and the QR code. So once all these things are created, it will be difficult to handle all these links. So what shall we do? The issue on hand. Multiple links and digital data are to be handled simultaneously. As a result, searching the data within the phone itself might take time, and it will be a tedious task. A single point interface is required to make the work easier. So what we will do? Multiple online monitoring systems. As I had stated earlier, we had created a daily handbook, we had created online complaint monitoring system, online water supply monitoring system, online rest house monitoring system, and so on. So we have multiple links. So what we suggest is make a Google form containing all these links. We will create a Google form, we will have only one link for that, and if we go to that link, it will show the link for all the other forms. So single point interface. So make a Google form containing all the links, create a QR code for this form, paste a copy of the QR code on your table, or carry a copy of QR code, or attach a copy of QR code to your keychain, etc. Whenever you want to access your office, that is, we call it as digital office. Let's call it as a digital office. So whenever we want to access a digital office documents, you can just scan that QR code. It will list all the links for complaint management, water supply management, rest house management, and so on. Scan it and use it whenever required. So it will be easy. So in the upcoming session, we are going to create one Google form to contain or to list out all the available Google Forms as well as the Google Sheets. Come, let's do it. Let's create a Google form as well as a QR code for that. So now we are going to create a digital dashboard, that is a single point source from where we can access multiple links to Google Forms for various online systems. So to begin with, I have created a document file, that is a Word file consisting of all the links, so that it will be easy for me to copy them to the Google Forms. So I have listed them: trial complaint management system, its link, trial complaint management system responses, that is the link for the spreadsheet, and then water supply monitoring system, this is for the form. One is for storage, one is for receipts, and the other is for responses, that is for the spreadsheet. Similarly, for rest house management system, I have created one for check-in, one for checkout, and the Excel sheet. So I have kept the data ready. I am minimizing this. As usual, I am going to the Google Chrome browser. I am going to Google Forms. Google Forms. Opening is taking a little more time than expected. Okay, we've got the Google Forms. Going to personal, go to Google Forms, starting with a blank form, giving the title as My Digital Office Dashboard. So I'm repeating the name here, My Digital Office Dashboard. The heading is ready. What I'll do is, instead of questions, I'll go with first one is add question, second one is import question, third one is add title and description. I'm going to add a title as well as description. So title will be, I'm deleting the existing title as well as I'm deleting this question which is appearing. So we will go with only titles. So in the title, I'm clicking here, I'm going to the Word file. This is the title, Trial Complaint Management System. I'm copy, right click, copy, go to the spreadsheet, go to the form, right click, paste it. Title has been pasted. Similarly, I'm selecting the link, copy, go to the form, paste it. One is ready. I'm going to create another. So again, I'm going to the Word file, responses, go to the form, paste it. Again, Control C. I'm using the shortcuts. So now again I'll add one more title and description. Now complaint management system has been completed. Now we're going for water supply monitoring system. First I'll go for storage. Title has been pasted. Now I'm pasting the link. Again, one more. Now I'm going for water supply monitoring system receipts form. Again, I'm pasting it here. I'm going for the link. Pasted. One more. This is for the spreadsheet. In Google terms, we are using it as responses or the responses sheet. So the link for that is being selected. I'm pasting the link. I'll add one more title and description. Now we are going for resource management system. So title I have selected. I'm pasting the title. Now I'll take the link. I'll paste it here. I'll add a few more titles as well as descriptions. This is for checkout. Title has been selected. I'm pasting it. Just for avoiding delay in making this video, I've previously I've created the Word document. So last one will be the response sheet for resource management. Copied, pasted, link, copied, pasted. So with this I'll stop. Okay, the Google form has been created. So let's see how this form is going to work. We are not going to collect any responses from this Google form. So I'm going to the link. I'm clicking on copy. I'm clicking on collect email addresses. I'm going for the link option. I'm copying the link copy to the clipboard. So what I'll do is I'll send this to a friend of mine so that I'll be able to get the link clearly. I've sent him. So I'm clicking on the link to have a look at how the Google form would be. So once I use this Google form, once I use this single link, I can go and see all these multiple links. So once I click on submit, I'll have to give my mail ID. That's it. So this is how it will be. What I'll do is I'll create a QR code for this. For that, click on the send, click on the link button, copy the link, go for a new tab, type the qrcodegenerator.com, select URL, paste our link. QR code has been generated. It has got downloaded. I'm going to bring it to the desktop. Copy it, brought to the desktop, paste. I'm renaming it. I'm renaming it as My Digital Office Dashboard. So I can print this QR code, paste it on my table, or add it to my keychain. And once I scan this QR code, it will directly take me to the list of, that is the form containing the list of links for complaint monitoring system, water supply monitoring system, and then rest house monitoring system, special works monitoring system, and whatnot. Whatever links we have, all the links can be added to this form and it can be used. So we have learned to create a digital office dashboard. Hope this video was useful. In the description box, I have provided the link for the digital office, My Digital Office Dashboard Google form. You can click on it and you can see how it has been done. Thank you. Save water. Suggestions are always welcome. Suggestions may be sent to a.s.ramchenai@gmail.com. Let's meet again in the next video.